Vic, and in this video I'm going to be showing us a very easy and simple strategy we can use to analyze the forex market. Before we get into the video, guys, I would like you all to kindly click on the red subscribe button and also like this video, and make sure to share this video with your friends. Okay, now let's get into the video, guys. All right, so this strategy is a very simple and easy strategy. All you need to do is just have patience. Forex is all about patience. Have patience, you keep practicing, and trust me, you're gonna see results. Okay, yeah. First thing I'm gonna do is, you start analyzing. Whenever you want to analyze the forex market, any currency pair, you start with the bigger time frame. Okay, you start with the bigger time. You can start with the weekly, you can start with the monthly, you can start with the daily, just make sure you're starting with the bigger time frame. All right, so now I'm starting with the daily time frame. The reason why we begin with the bigger time frame is for you to have a bigger picture of the market. You need to see what the market is generally doing. Okay, all right, so let's continue. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify the trend of the market. Is the market in an upward trend? Is the market in a downward trend? Now I can see Euro USD on the daily time frame is currently in a downward trend. Okay, you can see the market's moving this way. The market is moving downward, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna take this off. So then the third thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick my trend line tool. I'm going to connect these lower highs together. This is a lower high, this is a lower high, this is a lower high, this is lower low, and another lower low. For you to have a valid trend line, you need a minimum of 2 touches. I'm going to repeat that. For you to have a valid trend line, you need a minimum of 2 touches. Okay, yeah, like 2 touches must connect. All right, so this is the first touch here, and make sure your trend lines are not cutting through the candlesticks. Okay, yeah, so this is first touch, second touch. So we could basically see that we are anticipating a third touch. Right now, this is my resistance trend line. Why do I call this my resistance trend line? Price failed to break above this my trend line. Yeah, so price failed to break above here. So I'm gonna take my trend line support. You also need a minimum of 2 touches, right? This is first, second, and you put it down. Okay, minimum of 2 touches. We can call this a third touch, but it's not touching. All right, now we've all gotten to this stage. We've identified the trend of the market, we've plotted our trend line, supports trend line, resistance trend line. Now I'm going to pick my rectangle tool and also spot our proper support and resistance. Okay, now I can see this is a resistance here, this is a resistance here. Price failed to break above this ceiling, which is my resistance. Okay, and we have more than one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now we're going to plot our major support. This is just our support over here. Okay, now this is on the daily. Now let's move to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, now you can shrink this. Yeah, okay, now we've gotten to this stage. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm still going to plot my support and resistance here. So this, I can see this as my support. Yeah, I can see this as my support, and here is my support too. I can see this as another resistance, right? Yeah, this is another one. This is support. Okay, yeah, so I can also spot another lower high, so I'm going to connect them. Yeah, this is here, so just extend it. All right, so I hope you all get this. price got to this place, refused to break out, got to this place, refused to break out, and now, so what we are gonna wait for is, that's why we all say we need patience in forex. What we're gonna wait for is, we need price to either respect this resistance, okay, we need price to either respect this resistance, or I'm using my arrow to respect this resistance and then come back down, or price breaks this resistance, makes a retest, coming to test the resistance, which will now turn to support and what, come up. This is very easy. Once you are able to spot your support, you're able to spot your resistance, you're able to plot your trend line, trust me, you're gonna be fine. All you need is patience in confirming your setup. That's why you must wait for entries. Don't just jump into trades. You must wait for your setup to be confirmed. So what am I going to do here? You really don't need to focus on this place, even though it is said that history repeats itself. What happened here has happened somewhere. Okay, so now what I'm waiting for is, I'm waiting for price to either break or respect this my resistance. When price got to this point, it was trying to support, but it broke it, made the retest and started coming back down. Okay, now price got to this place, could not break, respected it, it became a resistance there and came down to support. Let me make this nice. Okay, now we can see price is moving price is moving up. So what I'm waiting for is, I'm waiting for price to respect or break. So two possible things can happen. All right, two possible things can happen. Is either price comes here and comes back down, or price comes here, breaks out, retest, boom, we come up here. Now I can extend this and say okay, fine. So this is our move, this is what I see. Okay, so I hope you all get this. This is very easy. Once you are able to spot your support, you're able to spot your resistance, you wait for a breakout and retest. Okay, so this in another video I'm going to talk about how we can use candlesticks to determine, because I'm not going to talk about that in this video, maybe some other times, but I hope you all get what I'm trying to say here. I hope we all get the strategy. We just use our support and resistance. We don't need any indicator, we don't need any other stochastics, RSI. We don't need all those. We only need, this is pure technical analysis. Okay, this is pure technical analysis. All you need is just your support, resistance. First thing, remember, identify the trend of the market. The second thing is you spot your trend line support, your trend line resistance. The next thing you do is you go down to the lower time frame. You can choose 4 hours, 1 hour. You go down to the lower time frame and anticipate your setup, you anticipate your entries. Okay, you anticipate your analysis. Okay, now I've analyzed this as market can either come to this point, respect my resistance and come back down, or price can break my resistance, makes a retest. Remember, after a breakout there's always a retest. After a breakout there's always a retest. So all you need to do is just have patience. Don't just jump into trades. Okay, make sure your setup is confirmed before you enter. All right, okay guys, I just showed us the simple and easy strategy we can use when analyzing the financial market. Okay, I hope you all like this video and we've gained content and value from this video. So please do me well by liking this video, make a comment about what you think, and kindly click on the red subscribe button. All right guys, it's your boy Vinovic and I'm signing out.